Welcome to cuteQM. cuteQM provides a very niche solution for all fabricators and helps to streamline the entire QA/QC process. In this video, we will see how the fitup data is recorded and submitted for inspection by the subcontractor team, followed by approved by production. The submitted inspection request will be reviewed and inspected by the QC. Launch the cuteQM app. The login window opens up. So for the first time, make sure the app URL is configured so that it can actually connect to the server appropriately. Enter the username and password and click login. So now you can actually log into the cuteQM app. So once successfully logged in, based on the user permissions, various tools available in the system are shown. So these are related to piping related tools available in the mobile app. So to start with, click on the project. There are many projects available in the system. The project is actually shown, which are actually given permission to the logged in user. Select the project and then click continue. The selected project is actually on the top displayed. Now, before we do any operation, we can actually store the data offline. So click on the offline, and now we are going to do fitup and visual. So just click master data fitup visual, click submit. So it will store all the fitup and will VA related data for offline usage. We can also do online, but usually users will be offline when they are doing this in the workshop and so on. Yeah. Okay, so first thing we need to do is actually, with respect to piping fitup, enter the heat numbers, which is the unique numbers in this case. So click on the pipe fitup. The joints are listed down. Toggle the joint in which, for which you want to enter the data. The date is actually the current date will be chosen, and you can change the date, and we can enter the unique number for the particular joint. So the joint is basically made up of two components. So this is the component 1's unique number, followed by we have to enter the component 2's unique number. So let's enter that. So we'll also enter this. So after entering this heat number, we also need to select the WPS. So the WPS will be listed down, so we can use from the master list. So we select the WPS. Also we can enter any remarks about the particular joint. So in this case we'll put demo and we will save. So this will basically save this data in the mobile phone now, and it will automatically sync to the server in a periodic manner. And if you want to sync immediately, we can always sync by clicking on the top right hand corner. If you click on that name N, there is an option called sync data, and if you click that, it will sync the data immediately as well. Okay, that option is also available. If you leave it open, it will automatically sync in a couple of seconds or a minute. Okay, now after the fitup data is actually added, the user can combine all the joints together and create a fitup request. So that's the second option, RFI fitup create. So it will show the joints for which we have entered the fitup data. So let's click on that and make a request. So select the joints and click the button create. That will ask, it will automatically create a running number for the next fitup request. So when is the inspection date? We can also choose, by default the subcontractor name will come in if you are having only one company access. We can choose the location, so that is also will be available by default, and then shows how many joins are there in this particular request. Click create. So a new fitup request is actually created, and there are no more joins available to create any additional requests now. Okay, now once the fitup request is created, it must be validated by the supervisor and it must be approved. So the production the supervisor can actually have a look at it and they can actually approve this. Once it's approved, that request is basically sent to the inspector. So now all the requests are already sent to the inspectors. That's why we see empty here. Okay, so now the production operations are completed. The joins are entered with unique numbers. The request is created. It is submitted for inspection. We'll move on to the inspection next. So for the inspectors, they will go to the the master data again. They can do a synchronization. So we'll click RFI fitup inspection and submit, because now we are going to do inspection. So all the inspection requests which are submitted, everything will be now available offline as well. So they can go to the field, they can do the actual inspections without having to have a good connectivity. So the inspectors will basically click RFI fitup. So the system will show the list of fitup requests. So currently we have only one request, and then we can click on the plus symbol. That will show all the data which is entered by the users. If everything is okay, we can simply click save to accept the inspection request. So once it's saved, there is an option to sign as well. So depending on the configuration, number of signatures can vary. So now we have only one signature. So click on the signature pad, do a signature using your finger and click save. So just click on back. Now the data is actually saved. The inspection is completed. You can see there is a phone icon. That means the data is available, already saved locally. It is not synced to the server. It will automatically sync to the server. We can also force by clicking on the sync button. So that is also available. So now it is synced. Okay, that's all. Basically the fitup inspection is complete. So similarly, there are numerous tools are available. We have to follow the process and we can complete. Right. So once everything is complete, if you want, we can actually always log out from the system and we can close the session. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.